In this video, let's talk about how to open the Access bank account in Nigeria online. Now, in order to do this, you need to first of all download the mobile application of Access More onto your device. And once you downloaded the application and once you open up the app, you'll see a similar interface. Just tap on Get Started. Now, in terms of creating a bank account, it is going to ask you, do you have an account with Access Bank? You simply need to tap on the No option. In the next step, you just need to agree to the terms and conditions and then just select these options that is asked and then simply tap on Continue. Now, in order to get started, you can either continue using your BVN or the NIN ID that you might have depending upon your case. So select one of these options and fill in your identity or fill in your details and then simply tap on Next. In the next step, you just need to select a type of account that you're trying to create, a savings, a solo, or even a current account depending upon what you need, and then you just need to take a real-time selfie using your phone's camera. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.